Welcome to the ultimate review. Transforming your daily routine starts with smarter bathroom upgrades. Best smart toilet with bidet models offer effortless cleanliness and lasting comfort that truly elevate everyday life for the whole family. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Loupusuo Fahrenheit Smart Toilet. This smart toilet stands out with its efficient 1.26 gallons per flush system that handles waste thoroughly while keeping water bills lower, plus an emergency flush option that works great during outages for uninterrupted reliability. Families and busy professionals appreciate the sensor-driven lid that opens automatically as you approach, and the pre-moistening feature keeping the bowl fresher between uses. Multiple cleaning modes cover everything from standard rear wash to feminine and oscillating massage options, all adjustable across 5 positions and pressure levels through a handy remote. The heated seat offers 4 warmth settings with clear LED feedback, making chilly mornings far more inviting. A soft night light guides nighttime trips without harsh brightness, while the quiet close mechanism prevents slamming sounds. Installation proves straightforward thanks to included guides and accessories, and the 17-inch ADA height suits adults and seniors comfortably. Build quality feels solid for daily use, though some might wish for even more customization in lighting. Overall, it delivers strong value for those seeking a full-featured yet approachable smart toilet experience that enhances hygiene and convenience in standard bathrooms. Number 2. Casta Diva Smart Toilet. Homeowners dealing with variable water pressure will love how this model's built-in tank delivers consistent 1,000-gram MAP flushing performance that clears everything smoothly and quietly, without restrictions. The sensor technology activates effortlessly for anyone over about 28 pounds, eliminating guesswork and making it truly family-friendly for kids and adults alike. A unique foam shield created from simple dish soap solution blocks splashes, traps odors, and reduces sticking for noticeably cleaner results after each use. Hands-free operation shines with automatic lid opening on approach, foot sensor controls for lifting or flushing, and self-closing action that keeps things hygienic. The overall construction supports reliable everyday performance, offering excellent value for anyone wanting spa-like cleanliness and modern automation in a compact, tank-integrated design that fits most bathrooms seamlessly. Number 3. TDH Luxury Smart Toilet. Engineered for strong cleaning power, this toilet's Vortex Flush uses just 1.26 gallons, yet removes waste effectively, backed by an emergency function that maintains usability during power cuts. The large LCD screen displays temperatures clearly in Fahrenheit, while 4 heating levels plus constant warmth mode keep the seat and water perfectly comfortable, no matter the season. Touch-free sensors handle lid movement and flushing, with a convenient foot sensor option that avoids bending, and pre-wetting helps the bowl stay cleaner longer between visits. Cleaning versatility comes through rear, feminine, and massage modes, adjustable in 5 positions and pressures, controllable via remote or quick side knob for easy adjustments. Soft night lighting provides gentle guidance without disturbing sleep, paired with a quiet close lid and 17-inch ADA-compliant height, ideal for seniors or taller users. Build feels premium and durable for long-term satisfaction, though the multiple controls might take a short learning curve. It represents solid value for households prioritizing luxury features, hygiene, and thoughtful accessibility in daily routines. Number 4. HOROW T38 Smart Toilet. Perfect for homes with inconsistent water pressure, this unit relies on its internal tank and pump to create powerful, dance-like flushing that clears residues efficiently every time. Automatic lid operation senses your presence to open welcomingly and closes gently afterward, creating a hands-free flow that feels elegant and sanitary. The built-in bidet delivers a soothing massage through adjustable warm water streams, letting you fine-tune pressure, temperature, and nozzle position for personalized, thorough cleaning. Soft night lighting combines beautifully with the colorful digital display for practical yet attractive nighttime visibility.
Heated seating transforms cold surfaces into cozy warmth, while the warm air drying function adds thoughtful comfort after washing. Construction supports dependable performance without fuss, making it a practical choice for busy families or anyone upgrading from basic fixtures. Minor adjustments in settings might require initial familiarization, but the intuitive design quickly becomes second nature. This model offers great everyday value by focusing on core smart comforts that genuinely improve bathroom experiences without unnecessary complexity.
Number 5. CANEST TC100GE Smart Toilet. This option delivers essential smart toilet benefits at a more accessible price point, featuring reliable flushing, heated seating, warm water cleansing, and air drying that together create noticeably fresher and more comfortable daily use. From initial seating through multiple wash modes and final drying, the system flows smoothly with soft night lighting and automatic deodorization, helping maintain a pleasant bathroom atmosphere. Its 1,000-gram mat flushing performance handles waste quickly and consistently, supported by a built-in water tank and backup function for worry-free operation even during outages. Heated elements adjust comfortably for cold weather, while elongated ADA height eases sitting and standing for various household members. Practical design emphasizes dependability over extras, making it ideal for first-time smart toilet buyers or budget-conscious upgrades. Note that automatic lid operation isn't included here, so consider other variants if that feature matters most. Build quality supports solid, long-term use, striking an appealing balance of performance and value for practical, modern bathrooms. Choosing the right smart toilet depends on your priorities, like water pressure needs, desired automation level, or budget constraints. Consider flush reliability and cleaning modes for daily comfort, while matching height and features to your household. Weigh these options carefully to find the best fit that enhances hygiene and convenience without overspending.